We do not check credit for the Signature Express loans. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. So in today's video, we're going to be doing another credit union review. But before we dive into the video review, I wanted to remind everyone that this is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. I also encourage everyone to do their own research in addition. So in today's video, we're going to be covering Signature Federal Credit Union. Now, one of the great things about Signature Federal Credit Union, again, is that they're open nationwide, so you can join through what's called the American Consumer Council. I've talked about this in several videos. So the ACC, or American Consumer Council, is a nonprofit consumer group, and this allows you to join hundreds of different credit unions throughout the country. The membership eligibility for Signature Federal Credit Union is wide open, and they offer a wide variety of different credit products on the personal and on the business side. So on the personal side, they have credit cards, personal lines of credit, personal loans, as well as quick loans that you can get with absolutely no credit check. Now, a little bit about Signature FCU. They were founded back in 1970, and they are based out of Virginia, so the Alexandria area. But again, membership is open nationwide. Now, in order to apply, you will need to have a government issue ID, driver's license, state ID, or passport, as well as 2 forms of address verification. This could include utility bills, property tax bills, insurance, or bank statements. And you must be a U.S. citizen or provide permanent resident card. Work visas are not accepted for credit union membership. So if you're a member or an employee of one of their associated organizations, if you're an employee of the United States Postal Service, you can also be sponsored by a current Signature FCU member, or as I mentioned earlier, you can join through the American Consumer Council. It's just $8 for a yearly membership or $15 for a lifetime membership. Now, you will be required to open up a shared savings account with a minimum of $5, and also they will be using check systems. So most credit unions that require you to open up a demand deposit account, which is either a savings account or a checking account, then they will be using check systems. So just keep that in mind. Now, what I really like about Signature FCU is that they offer a wide variety of products, including an express loan or a quick loan. So you must be a member for at least 6 months and in good standing, not currently in bankruptcy, not past due on any current or previous Signature FCU loans. As it states right here, we do not check credit for the Signature Express loans. So this is loan amounts from $200 up to $1,000. There is a $20 application fee, which is due at the time of application. You must also have a direct deposit for 2 consecutive payrolls. Members may only have 1 fast cash loan at a time, and then you can only have 3 fast cash loans during a 6-month period. So again, you can get up to $1,000 with absolutely no credit check. So this is going to be more like a payday loan alternative. Now, they do have their traditional personal loans, which go up to $50,000 with rates as low as 6.5%. Now, as you can see, when the repayment term increases, then the APR also increases. But aside from the personal loans, they also have a shared secured loan. They have the fast cash loans up to $1,000, and they also have a line of credit. So they have 2 different lines of credit. So they have the express money line of credit and the overdraft line of credit. Now, you might see at a lot of credit unions, they kind of bundle these 2 together, where you could basically have a line of credit and an overdraft line of credit in one product. But what I really like about Signature FCU is they kind of separated, and the express money cash loan goes up to $25,000, and the overdraft line of credit, which is going to be attached to a checking account, goes up to $1,000. The Visa Signature, which is their top credit card, has no preset spending limit. The Platinum card goes up to $25,000, the Visa Gold up to $15,000, the Visa Classic up to $10,000, as well as a student Visa up to $10,000 as well. The Visa Signature card is their premium rewards card, where you can earn 2 points or 2% cash back on everything. The interest rates start as low as 8.7%. There's no annual fee, balance transfer fee, or cash advance fee. There's no minimum finance charge, and there's no foreign transaction fee. You also get access to Visa Signature Concierge, as well as Visa Signature privileges and access. Next up, you have the Visa Platinum card. So this has limits up to $25,000. Now, this is going to be their low interest rate card. Now, you do earn 1 point for every dollar that you spend. Credit lines from $500 all the way up to $25,000, and a starting APR of 8.9%. No foreign transaction fees, no minimum finance charges. Next up, you have the Visa Gold card. So this has APR starting at 10.9% with credit lines from $500 all the way up to $15,000, and you do get a 1% cash rebate, no annual fees, balance transfer fees, or cash advance fees. The Visa Classic has APR starting starting at 11.9% with limits at a minimum of 500 all the way up to 10,000, and the same no annual fees, balance transfer or cash advance fee, no foreign transaction fees. Now you can almost infer based on the limits for these different credit cards which ones are going to be harder in terms of, having more stringent underwriting. So obviously the Visa Signature is going to have the highest underwriting requirements because there's no preset spending limit. And then the Visa Platinum goes up to 25,000, Visa Gold up to 15,000, and then the Classic and the Student Visa are going to be more of your entry level cards that go up to $10,000. Now, if you're looking to build credit, you might want to consider the First Start Visa. So this only goes up to $1,000 and a minimum credit limit of $250. So this is going to be more for people who have challenge credit or anyone who's starting out trying to build credit, as the limit only goes up to $1,000. So the First Start Visa is going to be the easiest credit card out of all the credit cards from Signature Federal Credit Union. Now they also offer the Business Visa Signature Credit Card, and this has starting APRs at 8.7%, and you could also earn 2 points for every dollar or 2% cashback rebate, no annual fees, balance transfer or cash advance. So this is going to be equivalent to the personal signature card, pretty much the same benefits. You get auto rental collision damage waiver as well as travel accident insurance. Now they also offer a variety of different business credit products, including secured business loans, equipment loans, business vehicle loans, and they also have business lines of credit. So as you can see here, they have an unsecured business line of credit that goes up to $100,000, as well as a secured business line of credit that goes up to $250,000. Now, just to recap, Signature FCU is available to anyone nationwide. You can join through the American Consumer Council. Now, just to go over some of the products that they offer, they have a variety of different credit cards. I believe maybe about 6 or 7 different credit cards. They have a business credit card. They have a credit card for people with challenge credit. So this is going to be the First Start Visa that goes up to $1,000, minimum of $250. Then they have the Visa Signature that has no preset spending limit. You have the Visa Platinum that goes up to $25,000, and then the Visa Gold that goes up to $15,000. So they have a lot of different credit products available. They have fast cash loans that go up to $1,000, and there's absolutely no credit check. Now, one thing I do want to emphasize is that the fast cash loan doesn't do a credit check, but every other credit product is going to be a credit check. So overall, I think Signature FCU is a credit union that you may want to consider. Now, again, this is not financial advice. Now, one thing that I will caution is that Signature FCU is not a large financial institution. It might take a little while for them to process your application. So if you do decide to apply, just anticipate having to wait several business days before you can get a decision, whether that's for membership or if that's for a decision on your credit product. Now, they also will be requiring proof of income for most of their credit products. Anyways, that's all I want to cover in today's video. Let me know your comments and questions in the comment section below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.